Brought to you by the Coffee Files. Maple syrup in coffee, a healthier alternative to sugar? Have you ever considered this natural sweetening option for your cup of joe? Most of us associate it with pancakes. 100% pure maple syrup contains 54 antioxidants and minerals, including zinc and manganese. And it doesn't spike your blood sugar as much as cane sugar. What's the difference between maple syrup and sugar? While both sweeteners add sweetness to coffee, sugar is made of processed white cane sugar, while 100% pure maple syrup is a natural sugar. How can I tell if my maple syrup is real? Look for a label that says 100% pure maple syrup. It should have only one ingredient, maple syrup. How do you add maple syrup to coffee? Start with a small amount, a teaspoon at most, and see if it delivers the level of sweetness you want. Heat it before adding to your hot coffee if desired, and stir with a spoon or small whisk. What type of coffee is best with maple syrup? It works well with a good quality coffee that doesn't contain any flavors or sweeteners. A dark roast is always a good choice. Is it healthy to put maple syrup in coffee? Maple syrup contains antioxidants, minerals, antibacterial properties, and the manganese promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. Like any sweetener, there are calories, but the syrup is not processed like regular sugar. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to sweetening your cup of coffee, give 100% pure maple syrup a try. Thanks for watching.